Clear Beauty Cucumber and Aloe Vera Gel Face Mask soothes irritated skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, brightening and moisturizing. I need one cucumber. Cucumber is antioxidant-rich and anti-inflammatory. It can reduce skin pigmentation, prevent acne, and cucumber benefits for skin, antioxidant activity, skin nourishment as a juice, soothing and cooling effects, reduce swelling, alleviate. Cucumber extract provides instant hydration and helps strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier to prevent future dehydration. Cucumber also has skin repairing properties and can be used to treat blemishes and dark spots. Using cucumber on face can provide numerous benefits for your skin. Its cooling, soothing, and hydrating properties make it a great option. Cucumber extract soothes and hydrates the skin. It can also help to relieve itching and redness. Cucumber toner helps prevent breakouts if your skin is prone to spots and acne. Cucumber extract helps to reduce puffiness, smooth out fine lines, protect the skin from the harmful effect. Cucumber is believed to moisturize the skin, inhibit melanin synthesis, and to have anti-inflammatory, anti-irritant, anti-wrinkling. Cucumber juice, to spoon. Add aloe vera gel. Using aloe vera for the face can help moisturize and soothe skin. Mix well. Aloe vera is fantastic for dry and sensitive skin as it is rich in anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This helps reduce dark circles and keeps the skin around the eyes hydrated. Reduces the presence of wrinkles, improves skin elasticity to prevent sagging. Add few drops glycerin. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin surface. It's also an emollient, which means it can soften skin. This is great if eczema or psoriasis leave you with rough or dry patches. Mix well. Your skin traps moisture in your skin and gives it a youthful, healthy glow. Glycerin can help moisturize and protect the skin. Makes your skin look brighter naturally. It also helps in enhancing the complexion by lightening it. Cucumber, known for its hydrating and soothing effects, helps to calm irritated skin and reduce puffiness, while aloe provides deep hydration and promotes a healthy glow. Aloe vera gel can hydrate the skin, fight acne, keep wrinkles at bay, nourish hair, soothe rashes, heal wounds. Apply this face mask all over the face and let it dry. Cucumber gel has cooling properties that help in soothing irritation, which helps in lightening skin tone and getting rid of dead skin. Will roughly dry in 20 minutes, so wash it off with warm water. You can use this face mask 1 to 2 times a week for exfoliation.